everybody, Bill Morgan here with a quick video with a witnessing tip. Lately, I've been sharing something that is really simple, but I think really effective in sharing your faith. So here is a witnessing tip that I like to share with people if they're not sure if God exists or not. I'll say to them, suppose I had a pile of 1,000 Legos right here. Do you think if we gave nature 100 trillion years, it could turn that pile of Legos into a Lego castle or a Lego house? Do you think nature, which is wind, pressure, gravity, rain, do you think nature could build a pile of Legos into a castle? Or would nature just scatter them all over the place and make a mess? I know that open-minded people say it could never build a castle in 100 trillion years. Well, if nature can't build a Lego castle, how could nature build a human body with eyes, lungs, ribs, livers, kidneys, DNA? Follow me? I think it's a simple point and an effective point, and I hope you use it and consider it, that to build a Lego castle, you need intelligence. To build a human being, you need intelligence that we can't even describe, and all glory to God for that. Thank you very much. Hope you liked the video. Feel free to call me, 714-898-8331. God bless you. I wish you peace, love, and joy with Jesus Christ.
Recording in progress.
What else you would die? Think about it for a little bit. What do you need to do? Well, you need digestion. You need to breathe.